Free how to set up a YouTube filming space. As in this video you will get a free course by end of this video. So there inside our course you will learn how to set up light and composition, also some of tips for the shooting video like cooking videos, tutorials video, as well as interviews video. So it's a very useful course for the if you are a beginner in and you just started a YouTube channel on YouTube. So this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get to start. So let's open up the browser and I'll show you on my screen. So this is my channel. Okay, so first thing is you have to do install that on your YouTube channel or any email ID. Okay, so then you should go with ideas. Okay, on the video IQ dashboard. Okay, first thing is you have to go there. You will see there is no link. So that is the problem over here. So I will drop you this academic link. So okay, so if you see here you will get the two courses all total free. I said one only about how to set up YouTube filming space. Okay, this is the really useful video that I really learn about the lots of things. Also, I achieve 95% mark on the quiz contest. So you can learn from this. I will drop this link into the description below. So hope you understand and hope you learn something new from this course, free course. Okay. So please before leaving this channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more creative videos.